What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Token Drew, and we here with another edition of Packed and Unpacked, series where I pack a bowl and unpack some cools. And even though it's glary as hell, that's right, we got ourselves another blind unboxing. Just in case you were wondering, I'm trying to stick to mainly blind unboxings right now, so I don't know why I always say this is why we have another one, but we got another one. So let's get right to it. Oh yeah. Good packaging over here.
Rest in peace to DJ Scandals.
Oh wow. Comes with instructions. Oh Jesus. Oh my God, really? Alright, so here's what one package has, all the different... We'll come back to this. Alright, here's Deadpool right here. Yeah. What's up, guys? We are back. Whew. Yo, this was a to put together. Real talk. My God. I don't even know if I got it all together right. It took me like a hot 35, 40 minutes because the pieces on the little explosion bit wasn't quite wanting to fit on the inside. I know this is legit because it was too complex to be bootleg, you know. But putting it together was a definite con. That sucked. However, seeing the finished product though, I mean, he's really, the base is really him bursting out of the comic book. I don't know if I'm gonna put him in the DTOF or put him like over with the Dragon Ball stuff as if he's bursting out of there. He has some really good shading, really good detail. It's almost like he's a manga dimension. Depending on how the transport goes for the pictures, I don't know if I'm gonna bring him down to the light box. Just because that's downstairs in the basement and we're up here in the attic, so. But yeah, the Good Smile Company breaking the fourth wall, Deadpool. I dig it. You have to work to put them together, but I dig it. Anyway, I'm your boy Token Drew.
My dusty coat is long, leather and black. A desperado in desperate need of green. To feed the fiends, leave them hungering for the obscene. The green I've seen in another man's eyes has been questioning my life and what I've done to get by. You can try a little story I tell. Is the truth through a lie? Come walk with me and wow. Feel the heat in my side. Now it's a matter of time before the lies made real. Can you tell me what's up? If real, recognize real. Can you feel me? Can you steal this thing they call a heart before we rip you apart? It's in the weak man you are. You just another beater of a car. Run it to the ground until it burn out. I got you in a twist now. Come on, shout. If you know what the fuck I'm talking about.
If you an outlaw, if you a renegade, then you part of the gang. So let us demonstrate.
What's up, everybody? And we are back. And there he is, over here in my Deadpool shrine. I got almost the entire Deadpool core. Now I just need myself a dog pool, and I'll be set. But this is definitely my Marvel Grail. Just the way it looks is ridiculous. I love this 3D feel of it, this breaking the fourth wall. You know, it literally makes no sense when you're just looking at it at an image. But yo, this is what it is, man. Like, check that out. definitely a worthy addition to the collection. If you're a Deadpool fan and you're trying to spend some money, I highly suggest it. You're not going to find another statue like it. The Good Smile Deadpool 4th Wall Break. I'm going to include in my description the link on Amazon where you can find it, or you can go on eBay and find it. The price gets up there, so I advise you to search. He took some time putting together. It was very frustrating, like I said, but still a very dope figure. And 4th Wall Break, is there any other way to get a Deadpool? I think not. Anyway, I'm your boy, Token Drew. Live up, smoke out, and game on. I'm out this bitch. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Desperado.